Okay, my name is Billy from Chester, and today I'm very pleased to announce this absolutely fantastic 2017 Toyota RAV4 is the 2.5 litre petrol hybrid automatic with only two previous owners and just over 46,000 miles on the clock. Great news, it is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. If you would like to book yourself a test drive in this car, give us a call on 01244 311 404. Now, you may have noticed the stunning black paintwork actually is the Eclipse Black metallic paint, which was an optional extra of £545 from new. And then dropping down, you can see that the alloy wheels do match the paintwork in the black, which really do look fantastic. Tinted black back windows there for a little bit of privacy to your rear passengers. And on the interior, you will find the full leather upholstery, which is in amazing condition. And in the middle, you've got a cup holder and armrest combination. And you've also got ISOFIX mounting points for children's seats in case you need them. Moving around to the very back now. We just move all the way around and open up the boot. Does actually have an electric tailgate, does all the work in opening the boot for you. Very good when you have your hands full. Loads of space in here, as you would expect from the size of the car. Can drop the back seats for additional space, and underneath the carpet you will find a spare wheel which has never been used. Always a great sign on the reliability of a car there. Electric tailgate is going to do all the work in closing the boot. And I just want to let you know the car's been maintained very well, as it's been serviced twice by RRG Toyota Stockport at 32,000 and 40,000 miles. This concludes our 360-degree tour around the vehicle. What I'm going to do now though is go in the interior and explain some of the features in more detail. Have the electric memory seats for the front driver here, so two drivers can get in their perfect driving position there and set them just on these buttons over on the right. 4 electric windows and your central locking all on the door card there. Over to the left you'll find your engine start-stop button and your wing mirror controls with the ability to fold them in when parking. Steering wheel mounted controls both on the right and the left. You've also got cruise control, which makes those long motorway journeys a lot more relaxing. And audio controls over on the left, so you don't have to move your hands too far. Got a nice digital screen here in the middle of your 2 dials, which is going to show you loads of different trip information, along with your navigation compass, your audio, and things to turn on and off here, so you can activate things on the go, which is nice and cool. Over on the left is your main multimedia screen. Now, it doesn't actually flash in real life, that's just the shutter speed of my camera clashing with the display of the screen. But you do have the full 3D satellite navigation, excellent feature to have in any car. Also can connect your phone for your own contacts and your own music to legally take calls while on the road. You can get all your trip information and things like that up on this screen, as well as in the middle of your 2 dials. Just get it in a little bit more detail over here. Do have media, which includes AM, FM and DAB, and of course your phone and things like that. And it does give you an incredible list of radio stations having the digital radio, so whatever type of music you're into, you'll find many stations for you. Putting the car into reverse will reveal the full colour reverse camera, which is an excellent feature to have in any car. Dual zone temperature controls, so you can change the temperature and have a unique temperature for you and your front passenger. Down here you will find a 12-volt power supply, USB, aux and heated front seats, along with the electric vehicle mode, eco mode and sport mode buttons just there. Automatic gearbox here, 2 full-size keys, always a great sign a car's been looked after well. Got your armrest, and inside that you can see that little tray there, and extra space as well. And up at the top, a lovely sunglasses case. Now, a little bit of extra information about us at Motormatch Chester. Most of our cars are handpicked internally from our premium Swansway sites all across the country. All of our cars go through extensive mechanical preparations and bodywork checks. RAC extended warranties of up to 3 years are available, along with flexible finance packages. All Motormatch vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee to cover the provenance check. For more information or to book yourself a test drive, why not give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you here at Motormatch Chester very soon. Thank you and goodbye.